Hello friends. When you are planning to make a perfect website for your business and services, you need to select a perfect WordPress theme. And when you wish to have a maintenance free or we can say minimal maintenance website using WordPress and a suitable theme, it is recommended to use FSE theme, full site editing theme, and we have already discussed the advantages of using FSE themes. And in this video, I have a very wonderful WordPress theme that is a theme for digital marketing, and it uses Gutenverse and FSE blocks for creating the elements on the website. Yes, I have Zyno, and you can buy this theme through the video description link at themeforest.net, and it offers multiple pre-made website for a digital marketing agency, SEO agency, social marketing, and influencer marketing, and even for website agencies. So if you are targeting any such website, this can be a very good choice. Zeno. So documentation, support, forum, and everything is included, and you have 21 plus website templates. And when you are using a simple and clean theme and willing to make internal pages with your own elements and design, it is easy to create with AI. So we can always help you in creating internal page according to your design and your wish, according to your wireframe even. So don't worry for that. What you can create at your end, you just need to join the iCreate program, and the link has been given in the video description, and all the regular visitors are already on the program, and it is a free program to join. So let us start creating a website using Zyno, and I'll install the theme first of all, and we will discuss rest of the thing during the video. So I'm ready with this core and fresh installation of WordPress, and I'm using this cPanel based hosting plan, and you can also choose a based hosting plan at WP Themes website. Link is again in the description. To begin, we need to install the theme, and I'll show you the theme pack. First of all, I have this theme pack with the FSE theme. It is very low in size, 1.2 MB in size in the theme pack. Child theme is also included, so we are going to use this one, Zyno.zip file. To install the theme, we need to follow the simple and exact steps. So under appearance, we need to add a theme here. So we can use this add theme and upload theme option, where we have to choose the installable theme file, that is Zyno.zip, and simply click on install now. It will hardly take few seconds since it is a well optimized WordPress theme. So if you are using a theme having very well coded infrastructure and very lightweight in nature and using very less number of plugins, you are going to get a stable website. So this is a simple procedure we can say, the simple trend, so that you can get a stable website since you are not using multiple plugins and the theme is not bulky or heavy. So you are definitely going to get a stable website. Okay, now it is activated, and I can see the setup wizard here. We can continue with the wizard, and it is installing the Gutenverse first of all. So all FSE theme uses Gutenverse, of course. So you can explore other themes as well on this channel itself. So there are 20s of FSE theme I covered on this channel. So you can choose according to your business category, your requirement. But yes, go with FSE if you need minimal intervention of developers or the maintenance free website. So we can choose the FSE themes. However, the features may be limited in the FSE themes because all the light version things are here, and all works with the Gutenverse and the internal blocks of WordPress. Now I'm here at the setup wizard, and it is saying install required plugins, and to access the full range of theme features, please install and activate required plugins. So these 3 plugins are already installed when we followed the these 3 plugins. So Gutenverse is here, and Gutenverse form is here, Gutenverse companion. So it is already installed. So we just need to move the next step, and here we can choose which demo is going to be our target website. So if you are creating the digital marketing or SEO agency or any uh, the layout you can choose here. So I'm going with very first one, and I'll first choose the import page. And here we have two options. Either we can have the full import, or we can import without menu. So it is totally your choice. So I'm going with full import, and it is now creating pages. So it is completed. Assigning templates, it is going on, and importing menu. So only 3 steps, and it will again take few seconds in completing the demo import process, and it is going to be super simple. So you don't need any technical knowledge for doing all these things. So it is going to be simple. And just in case if you need any support, we are just a click away. Either write in the comment, or it is a good idea to join a live chat here with a mentor who can help you in every manner in completing your website. What is required here to join the iCreate program for free? You just need to buy the theme at themeforest.net through the link, and you need to spend the $69 for this great WordPress theme. And in the $69, what you are going to get, you're going to get quality check by Envato, the future updates for this theme, the 6-month support from the theme developer. And original theme developers are Zeg Themes, and they are Power Elite author at Envato Market. So you can trust on this uh, development house, and you are definitely going to get a stable theme with them, right? We can come back to the setup wizard, and it is still going on. Okay, on the next second it is complete, and it is simply saying the install demo content completed, page digital marketing is successfully imported. So we can simply close this, and next step is going to be import all pages. So here we can check this if the internal pages are not imported, so we can use this option. But first we can check our website. Okay, great. So here is the website, and we got all the elements without any trouble, without any error. So it is all fine here, all set here. And I can take you to the backend just to check the status of other pages. So we can check the pages. So only one page, digital marketing, is here. So what we can do, we can go for rest of pages. Like if we wish to have these home pages, and okay, so it is already here. So the about us, service page, team, pricing, FAQ, contact, and importing menu option is here. So it is going on, and it will again take a while when we are importing the internal pages as well. Okay, so I am again here, install demo completed, and it is now we can refresh this page to check the internal pages what we have, or even the home pages. Yes, so now we have 13 published pages, and I can see the services, SEO agency, and even the other home pages are here. Just to check, I'm randomly opening this influencer marketing. Yes, so it is here. So of course you can do the same process, and you can follow the same steps to get the internal pages. And with FSE we don't have to do much about the settings and all. We can simply proceed for customizing our website. Okay, so since we have all the pages, I'll show you the next things. So this is Gutenverse, and you can check the ecosystem, and you can even go for a pro version if you wish to have additional features. So this is the ecosystem, you can check there and how it works. So this is just a knowledge base, and what are the blocks active, so you can enable and disable the things like email input or the GDPR input. So by default all is on, and in the pro version you'll get the payment options and the file input and all such things. Settings, you don't have to do much here, but you can check all the things like tablet breakpoints, mobile breakpoints, and all, like editor helper and lazy loading. You can enable or disable as you need. The front end and the template icon, font icons, and the custom fonts, it is a pro thing. Okay, so system status is always good to check when you are creating a WordPress website. Also be green here, and you can see all good is here. and update notice you'll get here. And the form, if the form is being used, you can create new form here if it is required on your website. Of course, you need a form. And I must tell you, if you need any advanced form or multi-step form at your WordPress website, just join the iCreate program and ask Mentor to create a special form for your website according to your information, according to your form fields. So we will create a form for you at no cost. The condition is only one. You just need to buy the theme at themeforest.net using our affiliate links, and rest of the help and support you are going to get free. And of course, you'll get the theme support from the theme developers, but additional support is available through the iCreate program. Okay, so it is fine, and I believe I don't need to explain much of the things about this settings, and you can simply start customizing your website. And when we are talking about the customization, we can simply go to the page, like this is home page, and we can start using the block editor, and you'll be able to edit all the things. It is so simple, just like you are working on a Word file. So you can change the text, images. So just keep in mind, you have to use the same dimension of image, same length of text content, so that you may maintain the design integrity of the website. It is going to be simple, and you'll certainly get a clean and smooth website using this theme. So in the next video, I'm coming with more solutions for your WordPress website, how you can proceed further for customizing your website, or what are the great options with the WordPress. So don't miss watching the coming videos, and you will get all the necessary things that you need to create a successful website at this channel. So just subscribe the channel, keep watching, keep building, and keep creating. Thank you.